In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view a Shopify store in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Shopify or just need a refresher on navigating its interface, you're in the right place. So, let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to easily access your store's dashboard and view it just like any other visitor would. First, let's start by going to the Shopify website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in shopify.com. Once there, you want to head straight to the login page. If you've bookmarked Shopify from previous visits, you can use that too, which can save you a few clicks. Logging in will take you to the admin panel, which is where all the magic happens. Once you've landed on the admin panel, keep an eye out for the settings option, which is strategically positioned in the lower left corner of your screen. Navigating to this area is crucial, as settings is the gateway to your store's under-the-hood configurations. Under the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Domains. Clicking on Domains takes you to a new page, showcasing all the web addresses connected to your Shopify store. This can include your primary domain, any redirects, and even any subdomains if you've set those up. Now here's an important tip. Knowing which URL to use can come in handy. You want to identify your store's primary domain, the main web address that customers will use to find you online. You'll see it prominently displayed on this page. Once you've located it, simply highlight the URL and copy it to your clipboard with a right-click or a quick Ctrl+C on your keyboard for PC users, or Command+C if you're on a Mac. Next, open up a new tab in your web browser. This is where we're going to paste the URL, giving you a real-time view of what your customers see when they visit your store. Once the new tab is open, paste the URL into the address bar. Again, just a quick right-click, or using Ctrl+V or Command+V, and then press Enter. Voila! You've successfully navigated to your live Shopify store, and there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can now comfortably view your Shopify store while ensuring everything appears exactly as intended. This process is particularly useful if you're in the process of building your store, wanting to preview updates, or simply ensuring that everything is functioning smoothly for your visitors. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Shopify tips and tutorials. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. Happy selling, and we'll see you in the next video.